I am Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a Stitch Fix to open with you. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. Please be certain to subscribe and tap the bell so you will get a notification every time I open a Stitch Fix, and I open all the Stitch Fix boxes that I can. Yes, I love this service, and I buy a lot of clothes through Stitch Fix, but you know what else? I try lots of clothing. I shop and do lots of subscription boxes, so if you enjoy chatting about women's clothing, please join me for a future video. So let's get into this Stitch Fix box. If you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, I have left everything you need to know in the description box below. Please check it out. There's also a referral link. It's my referral link. If you use it, you will get a little credit towards your first Stitch Fix. And they also extend some credit to me, so thank you in advance for using it. Thank you to everyone that has used my referral link. You have really hooked me up, and I hope there's some great things in this box. Let's open this one up. We have a mailer, and shipping is free both ways with Stitch Fix. That is awesome. This is a bag that says shoes, and everything you need to know about Stitch Fix is also printed right on the box. Very, very handy. An envelope, and that is full of paperwork. That is a style note and an invoice, and we have our bundle. It looks a little fall-like, doesn't it? That's this side. Shall we get into the shoes first? Okay, let's do the shoes. All the shoes come in these nice little dust bags, which is really wonderful for traveling. So, ooh. Oh, okay. I am shopping for black booties, so they sent me these booties, and they have a rounded almond toe, which I'm preferring the pointy toes right now, but these are suede. Even the heel is suede, so it's a nice block heel, and all suede. We have a little bit of elastic there, and I don't know, they look, okay, these are by Mia. Let me read it. These are the Mia Giada heeled boots in black. I don't know how I feel about the appearance of these boots. They look like a black boot that would work. They just don't look very special to me. I think it's because I prefer the pointier toes rather than this almond shaped toe. But I'm anxious to try these on. Bundle time. First thing we have in the bundle is a stripe. This is kind of a teal and cream colored striped top, and this is by Colette. This is the Piper knit top, and it's in dark green, they say. So this feels really nice. Okay, kind of a boat neck collar, 3/4 length sleeves, a bit of a rounded hem. Yeah, just a basic striped tee. Next up we have, this is a gray, this is a really thick sweater. Oh, it's more like a jacket, I think. This is marketed in Spruce, Kaylin sweater jacket in light gray. Okay, it's got the silver buttons there, and it does have patch, is it patch pockets? No. Are they fake pockets? No, it's a stitched pocket. So we do have pockets there. It's just a straight hem, does have seaming down the back, and this, what is that? It's got that, whatever that is. This is the beauty of trying clothes on, because my first impressions of this is, I don't know, not real good. Yeah, this does not look like me at all. So I might be happily surprised when I try it on. Next we have, this is 41 Hawthorne Henry cross-front ruche knit top in burgundy. And okay, so we've got that faux wrap on the top and the ruching on the sides here. And is it got a puff sleeve? I can't tell if the sleeve is puffed. No, I don't think so. So little draping. We'll see how that fits. I like this. Although I have something very similar, a burgundy ruche top that I picked up from Natalie Attired. So I don't know if I'm in need of this one. And next we have Liverpool. I see Liverpool denims. Lucy split front seam detail boot cut jean. Wow, that's really different. Okay, first off, I see these funky pockets in the back. They have, is it seaming? Oh, yeah, there's some stitching there. And I like the seaming down the front. You see that seaming that goes down the front? I normally like that. And, oh, it's got the split there and the raw hem. And it is a bit of a boot cut. Okay. I've never seen anything like this, and I'm excited to try it on. My regular stylist has been on maternity leave, and I have had a lot of substitute stylists. So let's see what my stylist says. She says, "Happy Fix Day, Kelly. I'm Cassandra, and it's a pleasure to be styling you this time around. Thank you for your request. I was able to find some fun fall colors and black booties for you today. However, I couldn't find the patchwork denim you were hoping for." That's what I requested. I'll circle back next time to see if they're in stock. I did send you the split front seam jeans by Liverpool in a bootcut style that will give you a unique and trendy touch to your fall denim. Try them with the Colette knit top with a deep green stripe and step into the Mia boots for a complete ensemble. You'll also find a fitted burgundy top by 41 Hawthorne that can be worn casually or dressed up for a night. To top off any of your fall and winter looks, I sent a one-of-a-kind sweater jacket by Market and Spruce. I hope you love what you find in your fall fix. XO Cassandra. And this is what my style cards look like. So, I don't know, this Kaylin sweater jacket, that's the one that I'm not sure about, this one here. Okay, I'm back for a recap. It's a brand new day. Guys, we are in the process of moving. I apologize for the sound not being what it should, but this house is emptying out and things are echoing. Thank you for your grace as we transition. Let's talk about the clothes and my final thoughts on these clothes. The total of this box is $331, and the buy all discount of 25% off is minus $82.75, and that brings the total of my box to $248.25. I have some credit, so these items will be very easy for me to purchase. I don't know what I want to purchase, if any. First item is by Colette. This is the jersey knit top. It's called the Piper top, and you know, I unboxed it and I thought, okay, this is just a staple piece, and that's not why I do subscription boxes for staple pieces. When I tried this on, I love the fit of this blouse. This is true Stitch Fix, super soft fabric, so I like the way this feels, but I like the way it fit. This blouse is only $38. For that reason, I am going to add it to my wardrobe. I just purchased a sweater with this dark green and ivory stripe from the Loft, but this is a little bit different, and although it's a staple, I am going to keep it. Great pick. I will say that. This was a good pick because I liked it once I tried it on. This one, the 41 Hawthorne with the cross front and the ruching on the side. There's also ruching up here. So this blouse was okay. I liked it. I mean, I wasn't crazy about it. Probably because I have something very, very similar in almost the same color. And this felt a little bit tight right around my middle, even though it's very forgiving with the ruching around the tummy area. I still felt like it fit a little bit tight. It would look great with a cardigan or a blazer over it, but I don't think I liked it enough to keep it. $48 for this one if you're interested. Now, the Market and Spruce sweater jacket. I'm glad I got to try it on because I did not like this when I unboxed it. I'm gonna tell you the truth. This looks like a sweater jacket that my mother would wear. She's 30 years older than me. It just seems so matronly for the type of clothing that I like to wear. I didn't think it looked bad on, so I guess I'm happy that I got to try it on because in a pinch, I would wear this. This is $88. I guess that's a decent price if you were interested in a sweater jacket like this, but I'm not. It wasn't as bad once I tried it on, but this is not my thing. This is not a Kelly jacket. So I thought about this overnight because I questioned why was I sent this sweater jacket, and it's got to be the algorithm. There's something in that algorithm that told the stylist I might like this. That needs to be changed somehow, and I hope I can provide adequate feedback so I never receive anything even remotely similar to that again. Now, the Liverpool denim. These are $88 and I like these. What did you think about these? They're very different. I don't have anything like these in my closet. Now, I have denim with the seam down the front, which I love. I like that. I think it's elongating, but this split front, I think you could see this better in the try-on when you saw the boots. You can see how this opens up. Split seam is going to be great to showcase a really awesome boot or a fun shoe. They are long, so it will require me to wear a heel or a tall boot of some sort. Otherwise, they will drag the ground. I don't like that look at all, but I think these are a lot of fun. I have seen women wearing these, but I don't think this is a trend that is really catching on. I kind of like these, and I am leaning towards keeping them, so I look forward to your comments on these denims. Should I keep the denim? Let me know what you think about them. The last item I tried are these little booties by Gia, this little simple black boot. They're comfortable. They're easy to walk in. The block heels normally are. They're not real high, but they're not short either. So you saw them in the try-on with the denim, and I think they worked fine with the denim, and that's how my stylist asked me to wear them. The problem that I have is they're just very ordinary. There's nothing spectacular about these boots. They're just an average black suede boot. I think I'm looking for an extraordinary black leather boot, and I didn't get that from these. Now, these are a great item to have in your closet because you can wear them with so many things. I'm just not crazy about them. $68 is a super price point. They are comfortable, and I thought about this all night because this is what I ought to be purchasing. But my heart says, no, hold out till you get something fabulous. With my stylist being out on maternity leave, I have had numerous substitute stylists, and my fixes have been hit and miss. I've had a few really wonderful boxes since my stylist went out on maternity leave, and frankly, I had become very spoiled by a stylist that knew my style and sent me boxes where I was eager to purchase. And I am going to ask a favor of all of you. If you are a Stitch Fix customer and if you have a stylist that you are crazy about, would you please leave your stylist's name in the comments below and let me know why you like your stylist so much, because my next request is going to be a stylist. Right now I feel like the algorithm is styling me, and I would love to get connected with one person who will take a little time and care in figuring out what my style is and sending me some selections that I truly want to add to my wardrobe. So that's where I stand right now. I'm looking forward to your comments. Please let me know what you thought about this fix. If there's anything that you think I definitely need to keep or send back, let me know what you think. I'll have another video for you in just a couple days. And could you give this video a thumbs back and see me in a couple days? If you haven't subscribed, now's the time. Subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun here. Blessings to all of you.